everyone, welcome back. Michael here, playing Outlast. We're gonna go ahead and follow the sign. Ooh, what's that? Battery for me. Battery for me. Okay, let's go this way. Ooh, blood. Can only mean, I think Father Martin was right here, I believe. Wait. Oh. Ooh, he's probably gonna try and kill me. What's the objective? Follow the blood. Oh, okay. Well, follow the blood. So we'll go this way. Hey, guy. I hope that you're harmless. But we'll find out. 1, 2, 3. Get it! Get it! Ooh! Got it. Okay. Alright, lots of stuff in here. Lots of places to hide. Alright. I fell. Holy shit, the ghost! The ghost! Oh! You asshole! Okay. Let's see. I wonder if he's gonna try and kill me. I don't know. I'm a little lost. Let's try to climb back up. I don't know where to go. That's boarded up. Let's see. Okay. Good start. Okay, at least it's another battery. I'll just reload really quick. Pick that up. And how do I get back? Okay. Lost 5 seconds into the game. Beautiful. Can I climb up somewhere? Or? Yeah, of course, right there. Yep, there it is. I missed. Let's try this side. Come on. There it is. Alright. Let's not fall like that again. Let's see. We'll go around. There we go. Hello. Is anyone home? No door. Okay, door. That one's locked. Let's see. I just came through there, didn't I? Oh, here we go. This looks even. Woo! Hello, guy. Why is there no more batteries? Oh, you're dead. Okay. You won't hurt me. I guess I should follow the blood. It said follow the blood, so why don't I just follow the blood? Ooh. Hello. Okay. It's gotta be this way. Oh. Dang it, man. Already. Zoom out. Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I gotta get through that door. I wonder if they're gonna both. Oh, those are the guys who've been wanting to try to kill me. As soon as he passes, I think I should go. Run for it. Go, 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 go! Very nice. Okay, reload. I completely missed. Where the fuck am I now? Oh, shit. I had it. I got past them. I had it. Now I'm stuck. That looks like a way I can get up. Oh, okay. I can just try again. Cool. Take 2. False alarm. Alright, come on. Shimmer past it. Ooh, hello. Let's see. Alright. Father Martin. Hello. Get on there. No, get up there. Get up there. No, get your cam up. You need that. Damn. Damn. Now we're really screwed. You better get up there. Woo, there are no fingers. Saving. Alright, so we're going sightless here. You need to navigate through the darkness. Okay. Like there's like no light whatsoever. Maybe this is the way I need to go. Alright, climb back up. You need your camcorder to navigate the darkness. Oh, I gotta go get my camcorder. Oh, why didn't you say something then? Jeez, no wonder it wouldn't let me do it. So I probably could. I'm probably gonna die now. I guess we'll find out. Oh. Someone's gonna kill me. Oh, come on. Come on. I wonder where I put it. So let's see here. Can't see. Camcorder. Ah, probably fell through here. Alright, let's see. Alright, now we're making progress. No, just fall. There you go. Good job. Oh, it's the guy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see. Question is, where is my camcorder? Because I need that shit. Okay, not that way, that's for sure. Oh my God! Oh, Jesus Christ! Just get the shit out of me. Those are, oh man. That guy looks creepy as fuck too. Oh, where's the camcorder? Why is this lit up? That's a bottle, that's a bottle. I can't see anything. Holy cow. Hello? Oh, it's a person. Holy Jesus. This is way worse when you can't see. Come on. To close. Oh, that's the way I gotta go then. Alright, so we're gonna go through here. Go around. I see something lit up. There we go. Just run towards it. Okay. Pig. Get up. Just pick it up. It's right there. Just pick it up. Maybe I gotta get on a different side. Why can't I pick this up? Okay, there we go. Find a way to the 3rd floor. Oh my goodness! Jesus Christ! Alright, this is gonna be a show and a half. Let's see if I can remember how to get back. Alright, we're doing good. Good. Oh, look at that. Alright, back up here. I don't know if this is the 3rd floor or what floor this is, but it's gonna have to do. Okay, then I came through here. Alright, let's go. Alright, I remember to the right. Not to the right. It's to the right. It was just, you know, over there to the right. Same thing. Look at that. Well, that was easier. Okay. Ooh. Okay, find Father Martin in the administration block. See, I don't know why I couldn't just... Okay. Father Martin. Father Martin. What are you, Father Martin? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, I think it's telling me to go through there. I'm going to sprint through it. You can make it.
Only one way out. Only one way.
Where? Where is it, boy? Where'd we go? Where is it, boy? Okay.
How do you know you're not a patient?
How do you know you're not a patient? Come on, we got this. Alright, conserve some battery walking through here. Don't know how much. Oh, okay. Load, 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 load. There we go. Alright, so this is looking promising here. Let's see. Chapel, cafeteria, recreation. I don't know what the fuck that was. I wonder, is someone looking for me? This looks familiar. Okay. Big fucker right there. Damn it. Oh, I should have left it open. Okay, let's see which direction he goes. Alright, you're gonna come towards me. So I don't know anything that's over there though. So even if I go, he needs to go out and to the right. If he can do that, I think I'll be pretty set. Oh, I don't want to leave just yet. I don't know what's over there. Come on, guy. Leave. Leave. Oh, got no choice now. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Alright. At least I can do this for the time being. Let's see. Let's see if he fell for it. Okay. Just run. Just run. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man, I don't know where this is at. Oh, he doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. Damn it. What the fuck? Go, 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 go. I don't know where the fuck to go now. I have no clue. Damn it. I don't know where to go. There we go. Alright, let's see, I don't know what all is back there. Don't know what all is back there. But I'm gonna try right here for now. We'll hope for the best. Hope for the best. Nope. Okay, that worked. All right. Okay. I think you turned around. No clue. I don't know. Oh. Maybe there was like a. Maybe there. I don't know. Maybe a way at the end towards that room with the vending machines, and maybe I gotta go on the roof of something. I mean, that's the only thing I could think of, at least. Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right. I don't think I tried this room. Oh, there's a guy sitting right there. Okay. I think this is the way we have to go. Let's see. Alright, I don't know how I missed this last time. Oh, hey, look, there's one of those. Okay. So we'll just pick it up and then look at it in here. Can I really not? Okay, thank you. Okay. Billy's dream. Hey, Cindy, another interesting conversation with Billy. This one, he says he's been talking to Doctor. Gotten worse. His dead doctor friend is filling his head with more German folklore, apparently. Okay. Holy cow, this is like... That was intense. Alright, I'm gonna try to go towards that guy and we'll see. We'll see if he'll let me pass. Let's see, come on, crawl. Oh, it smells bad up here. Alright, reload. Maybe he's dead. Oh. Oh. Okay. Alright. Alright, we're looking pretty good. We're in the administration block. This is not administration block. Ooh.
The key to the house of God is in the theater, behind the light. In the theater, behind the light. You have to see the movie, so that's where I left the card. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, coming! I'm coming!
Recreation hall. Okay, so I need to go to the theater. Recreation hall. Okay, not that way. Behind the light. That's a... Maybe down here? Oh, a battery. Okay, the question is how do I... There it is. Alright, battery for me. Alright. No, get down. I think this is the way we gotta go. Can't open that. Let's see. I guess maybe that was literally just to get a battery. Oh no, this looks fancy like a movie theater. I came up here and there's nothing up here though. Okay, so what does it say? Retrieve the key from the recreation hall. Oh, shimmy across. Got it. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, this is looking good. Jump down. There we go. Oh. That's creepy as fuck! Go back to playing your piano, bitch. I wonder if I have to, like, sneak past these people. I'm sure I do. I'm sure they're gonna kill me. Or at least attempt to. Ooh!
Exit interview recorded December 27th, 1985 in Los Alamos, New Mexico. Clearance.
Alright, said I had to watch it, so.
Dr. Rudolph Wernicke, 148.
Let's see.
The films are real. There was no alteration to the footage at all, no trickery. In June of 1943, you recorded 3 instances of spontaneous bleeding.
It doesn't
Half a dozen test subjects
look like
began to develop
anything.
brain tumors.
Yes. The autopsies revealed that the tumors were pure lead.
It
Okay,
killed them.
so maybe I'm not gonna watch the whole
Can you
thing.
explain why the results
And I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to get the key.
I have my theories.
See if I can find where that's at. Let's see, key. Alright, so the stairs here. We'll take the stairs up. That's closed. There we go. Well, this isn't too bad. Alright, we'll go through here. We gotta find the movie. Battery, cool. Always can use a battery. Oh, guy, I need to come in though. But I need to come in. Just let me in. I'll be good, I promise. Are you holding the door closed, or you don't even attempt to unlock it? Okay. So. Oh, he took the key and he's running now. Gotta catch him. Alright, which one were you? Let's see. I thought I had to chase you. Maybe I don't? Let's see. Let's see, this guy was playing piano. Looked at me. And then let's see. Jesus Christ. Through this door? Nope. Oh, come on. Maybe I did come. I came through here. I don't think no, this is like I came through this way afterwards. Those are locked. Crap, where'd I come from? Okay, there are not a lot of ways you can go. Ugh. Okay, I had to have. Oh, I just wasted a fucking battery. Jesus Christ. I mean, I guess this way. That was the door. Okay, how the fuck did I do this? Maybe he didn't come down here. Oh, what is this? What does it say? Don't wash those hands regularly. Okay. No clue. None. Okay, so it's up here. Which this is where I came from. I don't... Did he... The heck did I... Oh! Oh, okay. Now I got it. Now I've got it. Alright. I think I can do this. Alright, so we gotta go through here. Oh, I was gonna try and jump on this chandelier. Alright, come on. We'll shimmy our way across this. Alright, we can do this. We can do this. Slowly but surely. We can do this. Oh, good catch. Alright. There it is. Fucking waste. Alright. I'll just fall. There we go. It should let me go back the same way. Alright, just hide in there. Okay, I think I have to go past him. Did he come out? Do not know. I want to barge through the door. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, hey, buddy. You lost this time, didn't you? Ha 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 ha. I win. Alright, folks, this is where we're going to leave off. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you all. Goodbye and farewell.